Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. We are back with a brand new recipe today. Weekend calls for something that can be made quickly and also taste yummy. So here we are presenting exactly that. Let's make Jhatpat Sauté Shrimp today. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. We will start by marinating the shrimp. We are using medium-sized cooked shrimp for this recipe. Take the cleaned and deveined shrimp in a bowl. Add salt, haldi, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. Gently mix so the flavors are well combined and set it aside till we prep for the base. In a mixer jar, add tomatoes, onions, green chilies, cilantro and mint and grind it to a smooth paste. Now heat oil in a pan and add the masala paste that we just prepared. Saute on high heat for approximately 10 minutes. This is how your masala would look at the end of 10 minutes. Now add about half a cup of water, mix well and let it come to a boil. Add in the marinated shrimp at this time and mix gently on medium-high heat and continue cooking for another 7 to 10 minutes or until the oil starts separating. Garnish with lots of cilantro and mint. That's it, your sauté shrimp are ready. This dish can be served as an appetizer or it also pairs really well with white rice. Do give this recipe a try and like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram for many such easy and quick recipes. Thanks for watching.